matters. Today, we reaffirm that commitment by strengthening the partnership that protect our people and protect our region. Kenya and WHO have stood together through outbreaks, pandemics, recoveries, and rebuilding, forging a partnership defined not just by projects, but by shared capabilities in early warning systems, national surge teams, strategic reserves, and digital systems that turn data into life-saving action. Because of this collaboration, fewer lives are lost, recoveries are faster, and confidence across the continent continues to grow. The advanced life support ambulances will be handed over to all our 7 national referral facilities and the National Emergency Response Center of the Ministry of Health. In addition, the counties of Elgeyo Marakwet, Marsabit, Siaya, Samburu, and Tana River will benefit from similar vehicles that will support reproductive and maternal health services. This support goes to the heart of our universal health coverage agenda, advancing safe pregnancies, healthy mothers, thriving newborns, and responsive systems. The new resources will strengthen emergency referral care, improve oxygen capacity, reduce maternal and newborn deaths in high-burden counties, and sharpen our readiness for cholera, mpox, and other public health threats. Their true value will not be measured not in numbers, but in mothers saved, babies supported, and communities strengthened. Yet maternal and newborn mortalities in Kenya remains unacceptably high. No woman should die while giving birth, and no baby should be lost to preventable causes. The Ministry of Health is under firm and strict instructions to deliver rapid, measurable reductions through real-time reporting of every case, timely clinical audits, and immediate corrective action at facilities and at county levels. I have agreed with the Ministry of Health team that, as I have said, the maternal and child mortality is unacceptably high.